helping Mommy with love. It was a bright and joyful morning at Milena and Rapha's house. The birds were singing outside while the sun filled the kitchen with its golden light. Mommy was very busy. She needed to clean the house, prepare lunch, and take care of Brownie, the playful little puppy who was running around full of energy. Milena and Rapha were sitting at the table, finishing their breakfast. They noticed that Mommy looked tired as she cleaned the kitchen. Mommy is doing so many things at the same time. Milena said to Rapha, "That's true. Maybe we can help her." Rapha suggested, his eyes shining with excitement. Milena and Rapha ran to Mommy and said, "Mommy, you do so much for us. Can we help you today?" Mommy smiled, feeling grateful. "Yes, my loves. That would be wonderful. I can help clean the table," Milena offered. "And I will feed Brownie," Rapha added. Mommy hugged them warmly. "Thank you, my loves. Helping each other is a way to show kindness, just like Jesus teaches us. Teamwork." Milena carefully cleaned the table. She even made sure the chairs were neatly arranged. Rapha filled Brownie's bowl with food. "Here you go, Brownie. Enjoy your breakfast." Brownie wagged his tail happily and licked Rapha's hand as if to say, "Thank you." When everything was clean and organized, Milena had an idea. "Let's make a card for Mommy to tell her how much we love her." They grabbed paper and crayons and drew a big heart with a message inside. "Mommy, thank you for everything you do. We love you." When they gave it to her, Mommy's eyes filled with happy tears. "This is the best gift ever," she said, hugging them tightly. That night, as she read them a bedtime story, Mommy said, "Today you showed Jesus' love by helping with joy. Serving others with love fills our hearts with happiness." Milena and Rapha smiled, feeling a warm joy inside. "Helping is fun," said Milena. "And it makes Jesus happy too," Rapha added. Story lesson. When we help with love, we follow Jesus' teachings and make our home a happier place. Serve one another humbly in love. Galatians 5 verse 13.